The Border Collie, a dog renowned for its intelligence, known for their intense gaze and remarkable ability to herd. Border Collies consistently rank as the smartest dog breed. But what makes them so intelligent? Their intelligence is more than just learning tricks. It's about problem solving, communication, and an eagerness to work. This essay will explore why the Border Collie truly deserves the title of Einstein of the dog world. Canine intelligence is complex. It's not just about obedience, it's about learning, adapting, and understanding human cues. Dogs, like humans, possess different kinds of intelligence. Some excel in obedience, quickly learning commands. Others shine in spatial reasoning, navigating complex environments. The Border Collie excels in many areas, showcasing a well-rounded intelligence that sets them apart. The Border Collie's intelligence is deeply rooted in their history. Bred for centuries in the rugged terrain of the Scottish borders, their primary task was herding sheep. This demanding job required more than just physical stamina. Border Collies needed to think independently, anticipate the sheep's movements, and problem-solve on the fly. This selective breeding for herding intelligence has shaped the breed into the clever dogs we know today. While herding remains their forte, Border Collies excel in various canine sports and activities. They are stars in agility, obedience, and flyball, showcasing their speed, focus, and trainability. Their intelligence is evident in their ability to learn complex commands and sequences quickly. Beyond sports, Border Collies are highly trainable and excel as service dogs, therapy dogs, and search and rescue dogs. Their intelligence and eagerness to please make them ideal partners in various roles.